How to fix Snapchat sign up problem. Hello guys, first thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find the Snapchat, click on it, and now right here click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click on delete, and then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds and disable it. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat and update it. And you can do the same thing on the App Store iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe for this tutorial.